Shauna.
I'm going to show you how to get a free business phone number, whether it's for, you know, notary work, loan signing work, or whatever business you've started. So if you go to Google Voice on the computer, it'll ask you if you want personal or business phone number. But if you pick the business, it'll charge you $10 a month. I think that's the lowest plan. But we want it for free, so we're going to go for personal use. But personal, when you pick personal use, you have to get the app. So I'm going to go to Google Play Store and show you real quick. You go to Google Play Store, type in Google Voice, and you install Google Voice. So yeah, now it's going to have you sign in with your Google account. Make sure you use a non-personal Google account, because you want to, when it comes to your business, you want to separate as much personal from your business as you can. So accept terms and services. So then we're going to select a business number. You can first go based off your area code. So I'm in Houston, so I have area codes like 832, 713. So whatever area code you're in, you're gonna want to pick. Let me type in my city, Houston. Okay, so you'll see a whole bunch of area codes, and you can literally pick from any one of these numbers. You can find a number that seems easiest for you, or say this one at the very bottom, 3111. That's a very easy number to remember. And then also you can even put in try to find a number even for yourself. For instance, say you want a phone number that's like 713-000-info. You can type that number in to see if that's available. So say if I wanted like mine to be 7130 Notary, I could type that number in. Matter of fact, let me see the keypads for that number. Should have had that ready. So if you look right here, if I wanted to say notary, you see the keypad. If I want 7130, so if I wanted notary, you know, it's only like 6 numbers. So I would do 713 for my zip code or area code with 0, just to have it blank. And then for notary, it'd be N-N-O. Oh, my bad. Notary is N-O-T-A-R-Y. So that would be if I wanted to do like the slogan, call me now at 7130 Notary. Or if I wanted to do like 713 NSA today, D-A-Y. So 713 NSA today. Like, get yourself a notary signing agent today. You know, that would be the last digit, 2329. So actually, let's see if that number is available. We can see if that number is available. That number is not available. How about 832? That number is also not available. So maybe check if you guys like that NSA today. If you like that, check it out and see if your area code has that. No, but it doesn't matter. So for the sake of this video, we're just gonna pick any random number. I selected just some random business number, and it says you've selected this number. Okay, accept number. So I accept it, accept. Then you link that number to your current cell phone number, or to your phone number. It will send you a code to verify that it is your phone number that you're linking it to. Okay, and now, oh man, I shouldn't actually linked it to my phone number. I already have a Google number, so I don't need another one. But yeah, that number is now all yours. So anytime someone calls that number, will be forwarded to your regular phone number. I know you're like, well, why would I need this? Why should I care about something like this? Because, for instance, as a loan signing agent, or as you as a loan signing agent or a notary, you will be putting your phone number, because you want people to be able to contact you to do your job. You will be blasting your phone number everywhere, whether it's on your website, whether it's on your Google business page, whether it's to the loan signing companies, whether it's to the signing agents, whether it's just random strangers on your business card. Everybody will know your personal phone number. And do you really want that? No, you don't want that, because a lot of times also you will notice you will get a lot of spam, because if your phone number is accessible to any and everybody online, well, guess what? Any and everybody will call you, and you don't want to get a whole bunch of spam calls and things of that nature. So what do? Easy. You give them a different number. You give them your business number, and you can always unlink that business number from your phone. So say if you're like, you know what, notary work is not for me, I don't like this, I'm out. You don't have to then go to your cell phone provider and have them change your number. No, you can just unlink the phone number from your account, and then if people call it, guess what? They ain't getting you, are they? So yeah, get you a free business number just like that. That way, just business calls will be coming through from that number. So yeah, that's it.